Hello students, let's start. First tell me what you see in picture. Who are in picture? You can see this is looks like a great saint, and these are people. Okay, so today we are going to learn a short story. The name of the story is the 2.2 The Worth of a Fabric. So let's start. Tiruvalluvar was a great Tamil saint poet, and we see the picture. Who is who is this saint? The name of this saint is Tiruvalluvar, and he lives in Tamil. Who lived more than 2000 years ago, and how many years ago he lived? He lived 2000 years ago. Tirukural is the book of his teachings, and you know that he wrote a book which name is Tirukural, and in this book he uh, teaches. He wrote many good thoughts to guide us. Okay, it is greatly loved and respected even today, and this book is greatly loved and respected even today. Tiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. You know that what we see in picture, the person is weaving something, so that we call textile weaver. Uh, he wore beautiful fabrics and sari. You know that sari and fabrics you can see here. This is fabric and sari. So what did he weave? He wove beautiful fabrics and sari and sold them in market. Where did he sell his fabrics and saris? In market. People said that he never got angry, never used bad words, even shouted at anyone. And the people at that time said that he never get angry. So what happened next? See the next paragraph. In the same town, there lived a rich young man, and you saw in picture earlier. This is a young and rich man who also live in same town. Okay, where our great saint Tiruvalluvar was living. He lived a rich young man. He wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends, and he was wasting his time. Uh, in we in where he wasting in roaming around, and with friends, they often made fun of other people. And how he wastes his time? He wastes his time while made fun of other people. See the next paragraph. I don't believe what people say about this Valluvar, and said the young man one day. And the young man, which is a young rich, he said what he said. I don't believe what people say. And what people said? People said that Tiruvalluvar uh, never get angry. So these statements he don't believe. So I am sure I can make him angry, and he thought he can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. And today, that day also, they went to make fun. See the next paragraph. So the arrogant young man. What is arrogant? Arrogant means unpleasantly proud and behaving as if you are more important than or known more than. Okay. So that arrogant young man approached Tiruvalluvar in market, and where he met to Tiruvalluvar in market, and pick up a beautiful piece of fabric, and said, "How much does this whole fabric cost?" He asked. He asked means that a young man asked to Tiruvalluvar, "How much does the whole fabric cost?" He asked the price of that fabric or price of that clothes. Fabric means clothes. We saw earlier what is a fabric. This is fabric. Okay. He asked the cost of that fabric. That time Tiruvalluvar replied, 8 coins. The saint named the price. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore it into two. And what he tore? Tore means you know that what is tore. What is this person doing? He is tearing, right? So tore means this. Okay. So he tore. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore it into two. What's the piece of this? What is the price of this piece now? And again he asked the price of that teared fabric. Okay. So see the next 4 coins. So when the fabric is full, that time he tell the price 8, and now after becoming its half, his price also become half. Okay. 4 coins, the saint answer politely. The youth was taken aback, and what he did, why doesn't the man get angry? He thought. And that man, the young man, the rich young man, what he thought? He thought the man is not getting angry, and that is why he come. And if the Tiruvalluvar, the saint, become angry, he feel very fun. But this thing is not happening at that time. He thought. He then tore the half pieces into half again, and after that again tore the pieces into half again, and now and asked the Tiruvalluvar, asked that saint Tiruvalluvar, what is the price? Then he replied, 2 coins. Was the answer. No, now it was the young man who became impatient and agitated, and he became impatient. You can see in picture the boy is agitated, means worried or excited. Okay, so he only came there to make angry the saint Tiruvalluvar, but this is not happening, so that he become impatient and agitated. He tore the piece into half again and again, saying, "And now, what's the price now?" And he's keep kept doing what the fabric into pieces. Then what happened? Tiruvalluvar calmly went on reducing the price to half every time. At last, the fabric was reduced to rags, and Tiruvalluvar also reducing his price half, after doing half piece, his price also become half, and at last what happened, that fabric was reduced into rags. You can see here the rags. Okay, though that piece, that fabric become rags. So Tiruvalluvar said in a quiet tone, "Now this fabric has become worthless," and he told that it is not. It has not price, because it is become rags. I will not name the any price for this rags. The young man did not know what to say. and at that time he didn't know what to say, but he was proud of his riches, uh, and he has proud of his richness. He thought he has many much money. But what happened next? See, so he offered to pay 8 coins to the saint, and what he did, he offered 8 coins to the saint. But what happened? For the first time, Tiruvalluvar smiled, and what Tiruvalluvar did, he smiled, but he refused to take the money, and Tiruvalluvar had refused to take the money. Young man, now this fabric is of no use. It has become worthless. Why? Because no one will be able to wear it now. And why this fabric become worthless? Because this fabric is no one uh, can wear it. Okay, so that uh, Tiruvalluvar said that this fabric is worthless. See the next. Do you know the fabric was not made in a day? Many people have toiled to make it, and to making this fabric, there are many people's hands while making fabric. The farmer, who is one person is farmer who grew cotton in his field, work hard for months through sun and rain. And you know that farmers are doing hard work in his farm, and after so many months he got the cotton. Okay, so he pick cotton from each balls. You know that balls pod of cotton plant. You can see the pod of cotton plants. So the farmer got this cotton after doing hard work in farm. Okay, and gave it for spinning. And after this ball, he what he the process begin the spinning. Spinning means a process of making yarn or thread out of cotton wools. You can see here the spinning. So after that spinning, for spinning there are so many people engaged in that work also. Then someone else carded the cotton and spun, and after that someone carded the spun, and and spun it into long uniform thread. You know that the spun. Okay, this is spun, drew out of twisted cotton to make yarn or thread. So after that they made spun it into long uniform threads. The threads were dyed colorful, so they took on these lovely colors. My wife and I wore the threads together. And who did weave that threads? Tiruvalluvar and his wife. Okay, putting in beautiful designs. We thought someday someone will like this fabric, will be happy to wear it. Then all our work would have been rewarded. Do you know what is rewarded? What is in hand of this man? Yes, it is reward. So rewarded, when one is rewarded, one gets what he was work for. Okay, so the purpose of their work is completed uh, when someone likes to wear their fabric. When you destroy the fabric, you destroy all the love and labor that went into its making. money cannot bring it back. And money is not able to bring that labels or bring that love, yeah, if we destroy that fabric. Okay. The softly spoken word touched the young man's heart. Now he was really ashamed of himself, and he feel ashamed. Uh, and he thought, what I did. And do you know, the Tiruvalluvar went on to say, I can view another fabric like this. And he, after said that he can view another fabric like this, but our life is also like this fabric. And he teaches the lesson that our life is also like this fabric. If we tear it apart with hasty, thoughtless, thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed. And if we destroy it, it will not return back, and you will not get it back again. In this way, in this short story, uh, the Saint Tiruvalluvar teaches a lesson. Okay, lesson of life, how to live and how to do good work. Okay. So next paragraph, Tiruvalluvar's words opened the young man's eyes. There and then he decided to give up his idleness and bad habits. And at that moment, that rich young man decided to give up his idleness and bad habits. Okay, idleness means laziness. So this is end our lesson. Thank you.